Good evening, guys. Today we have the second lecture of the animal kingdom on the topic Phylum Porifera. Okay, and here I am for the first time taking class for the 2021 and 2022 batch. Okay, hope you all are fine. So let's move on with today's session on Phylum Porifera. Yes, Shivani, Shraddha, good evening. And do not forget, if you have not yet liked our video, hit the like button. Do share it with your friends. And if you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, subscribe it right now. And do not forget to leave a comment. Surely I will be giving a homework for you to comment in the comment box. And this is the schedule for the day. And we had, I think, the 10:30 a.m. quiz was not session was not conducted due to the internet issue, and it was rescheduled to 2 p.m. And the 2 p.m. session of Animal Kingdom is scheduled right at 4:45 p.m. And I think today there will be no lecture on digestion and absorption. And today you will be having right at 7 p.m. the NEET Mantra Telegram quiz on basis of classification for the Sweet NEET 2021 and 2022 batch. Phylum Porifera. This is the topic for the day. I think you all have watched the previous lecture on the basis of classification, and today we have included the quiz on those topic of the basis of classification. So we will move on with the topic by Phylum Porifera. This is one of the most important chapter. Okay, so focus very clearly and listen to the topics. Any doubts, you can comment it right now. Okay, Shraddha. So we are starting with today's topic on the phylum Poriferans. And at the end of this session, do not forget that you will be having a Menti quiz right at the end of this session. Okay. And in this session, we will be learning the levels of organization of this phylum Porifera, body symmetry, the germinal layers, coelom, habit and habitat, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, reproduction, unique features and examples. So whatever I am asking you to write, just jot it down in your notebook. Okay, hope it's all clear for you and we are moving on to today's session. Oh my god, I just forgot to took the pen. Please wait. Please wait, please wait. Okay, I'm back. Okay, fine. This starting with today's topic, the general characteristics of this phylum Porifera. Okay. My god, the pen has not yet reached. Okay. Anyway, I'm saying whenever I need it, I will take it. Okay. We have okay, fine. So the level of organization, you know that there is different levels of organization. The first session was not taken by me, so I don't know what is just included in that or not. So the different levels of organization are this cellular level of organization, tissue level of organization, organ level and organ system levels of organization. And in case of this poriferans or sponges, they have a cellular layer of organization. Cellular layer of organization is present in case of these sponges. Okay, and their body is asymmetrical. No symmetry is there in case of this poriferans, but they are some of the sponges are Radial. Yes, Priya, good evening. Nila, hope you are fine. And there are no germ layers in case of this poriferans. No germ layers are present in case of this poriferans. And in some sponges, we know that the adult sponges are asymmetrical. Adult sponges are asymmetrical, and the larvae of the sponges shows radial symmetry. Larvae of the sponges shows radial symmetry. Okay, fine. And coelom is the body cavity. Okay, I'm just giving an introduction and explaining this. So coelom is the body cavity, and in case of the sponges they are acoelomate. Acoelomate means that there is no body cavity in case of this sponges. Is that clear? So there is no body cavity in case of the sponges. And what is the study of the sponges known as? What is the study of the sponges known as? It was a neat question. The study of the sponges is known as parazoology. Parazoology is the study of these sponges. Okay, and well, let's recap. Yes, Calvin. Uh, This grade of organization in case of poriferans is cellular. Adults are asymmetrical and larvae is, yes, Nila, exactly. Uh, Symmetry is in case of larvae it's radial. There is no germ layer in case of poriferans. Coeloms, that is, it is absent as coelomate organisms. Okay, can we move on? The next slide. Okay, fine. The habit and habitat. In case of the sponges, it is mostly marine. These sponges are mostly marine, sedentary. That is, it is attached to the ground. Look, in these sponges, all the base of these sponges are attached, and some are solitary or colonial. Okay, so all these sponges are aquatic, mostly marine, and few are. Some of these sponges are freshwater. I hope it's clear for you. If you have any doubt, without wasting any time, comment it right in the chat box. Okay, so some of them are freshwater and some of them are solitary. We said that it is solitary. Solitary refers to that, means that they can live they can live alone. They can live alone. So in case of the solitary sponges, the main example is Cycon. Cycon is a sponge. I think you can't see that. Look here, I wrote the example. Cycon. The cycon is one of the solitary sponge. Solitary refers to what? They can live alone. And most of them, okay, whereas a few of them or the most of them are colonial. So in case of colonial sponges, we can write the example as Leucosolenia. Okay, Leucosolenia is one of the colonial sponge example. So not all the examples very important. Solitary sponge it's icon, and colonial sponge it is Leucosolenia. Okay, and all the adult sponges are sessile. All the adult sponges are sessile. Next, in case of the body system organs, there is, we told that it is only cellular level. Cellular level of organization is present in case of this poriferans. So we can note that all the body organ systems, for example, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, it's given here. So all these, if you check, you can see all these are absent. All the body organ systems are absent. Okay, so intracellular digestion occurs, that is digestion inside the cells. Digestion inside the cells occurs in case of the sponges. Respiratory system is absent and circulatory system is absent too. Is that clear? Please give me a thumbs up if it is clear. Everyone, all the 10 present, give me a thumbs up if this topic is clear. Next, we have the mode of reproduction in case of the sponges. Okay, I don't know whether you are understanding or whether you are able to follow me or not. But if you are able to follow me, surely give me a thumbs up. Yes, Samiksha. I hope your S means you are understanding. Okay. So we discussed that the digestion of sponge is intracellular. We told about digestive system, respiratory, and circulatory. And what is about this excretion? Which cells do this excretion in case of sponges? Can you find it? Excretion in sponges is done by which cells? Check it as one of the homework question. One more question I will give for homework. Okay. So which cells help in excretion of the sponges? Take it as a homework question and comment it in the comment box. Okay. Not now in the live chat. Comment it in the comment box. And if we forget to post that comment in the next session, if you are not finding that in the next session, you soon just remember us, okay? Or else we cannot discuss the correct answer in case of that. Fine, all of you gave the thumbs up. I hope all you are understanding. Okay. Yes, PDF of OMR sheet will be shared in our Telegram group. That means that we will be having a written mode of exam. You just practice it, okay? And moving on, I ask you to find how is this excretion done, okay? And one more thing I will say that excretion is done in the form of ammonium ion. Excretory product is ammonium ion, okay? And most of the sponges are hermaphrodite. Look, the case of reproduction, you can see that they are hermaphrodite. Most of them are hermaphrodite. Male and female sex organs are present in a single individual. In a single, that is, it is bisexual or hermaphrodite. Okay. And some of them show asexual reproduction by means of fragmentation. Internal fertilization occurs in case of this poriferans. Internal fertilization occurs. Fertilization is internal. And we said, note this, development is indirect. Very important. Indirect development. So direct development means soon after fertilization, soon it goes to the direct stage of development. Okay, there is no larval stage in between. Okay, there is no larval stage in between. Therefore, it is direct development. But in case of this poriferans, development is indirect. Note it, very important in all the phylum Porifera to all the till chordates. We will note this. Development is direct or indirect for and the mode of fertilization, whether it is internal or external. Okay. Can anyone comment whether we said that the asexual reproduction is by fragmentation? Can anyone comment any other method or the other? Comment fast if you know. Okay. When you comment, I will read it, and there is a gap between the conveying. Always I am saying that. No other than budding, something more complex. Comment me something more complex. So water canal system, spore formation. Yes, come on, something. And in case of the sporiferans, water canal system is present. That is, water enters through the minute pores. You can see in this diagram. Look, this minute pores of ostia. Water enters into the sponges. Surely I will say it later, okay? I will say it. Okay. So minute pores in the ostia and to the body central cavity, the body wall into a central cavity known as spongiocele. So the central cavity of the sponges is known as no Srilata Anil Kumar. Central cavity known as the spongiocele. From the ostia, the water enters into the spongiocele, and from spongiocele, it goes out through an opening called osculum. So all these names just note it. Okay, I hope almost. I think the 2020 batch students might know all these things. Okay, 2021 also might know. 2022 students focus carefully. Might be you will be hearing this for the first time. Canal system is used for the food gathering, gaseous exchange, and removal of waste. This is the function of the canal system given here. It is used for food gathering, gaseous exchange, and removal of waste. Technical term, it's not regeneration. Okay, what I meant is not. What I meant is gemule formation. Very important. Not in the asexual mode of reproduction is fragmentation or gemule formation. Okay, got it? Okay. Hope you all are able to follow up with me. Okay, I feel the class is quite interesting. And the spongocells in canals are lined by specialized cells known as choanocyte. Choanocyte are the specialized cells that help in what? Sorry, that is lining this spongocele and other canals. It's okay, Sudailanti. Okay, fine. Moving on to the next topic. I mean, next slide. Body is supported by spicules and spongin fibers. I think you all know this, okay? Because most of you are commenting most of the answers. I feel you all know this. So we said that in case of the sponges, uh, what the body is supported by spicules and spongin fibers, and the spicules may be calcareous or yes, sonali. It's okay. You may watch the previous what timing videos in the recording. Yeah. Okay. So body is supported by spicules and spongin fibers, and the spicules may be calcareous or silicaceous. Okay. Sorry, calcareous or siliceous. Exoskeleton of the sponges, that is, body is supported by spicules. We said that it means that it's exoskeleton. Anyway, right at 5:15, I will stop explaining this. Okay, because we should do the menti. Because by 5:30, I should end this session. Very sorry. Okay. Spicules are actually formed from a structure known as scleroblast. Scleroblast. Scleroblast is one of the structure. Is a structure from where these spicules are formed, and we saw that about in the previous slide. We told about one of those choanocytes. Yes, the body wall, the spongiocele and canals are lined by choanocyte. We can say that this choanocyte, it is the food is partially digested by this choanocyte. This choanocyte partially digests these food. And in case of these sponges, we said that the development is indirect and the larval stage is present. Larval stage is present in between. Larval stage is present, which makes it indirect development. So we can say that there are larvae present. And in case of the sponges, there are three types of larvae: coeloblastula, parenchyma, and amphiblastula. Okay. So scleroblastula, scleroblastula. Oh, very sorry. Coeloblastula. It was not sclero. Coeloblastula. I'm not able to write. Okay. Coeloblastula, parenchyma, parenchyma. If you have any doubt in the spelling, please comment in. If you are not able to read this, I know you are adjusting too much on this writing. Okay. And the last third one is amphiblastula. Amphiblastula. All these are the three types of larval stages. Okay. And there are classification of sponges as demospongiae, calcareae, halospongiae. All these you have to study, and out of NCRT we will do a session. Okay, we will do a separate session, or else we cannot finish this topic. That's why. Okay. So these are some of the examples of the sponges: Cycon, Spongilla, and Euspongia. And wait, not it. What is given in the brackets too? Skypha, it is same as Cycon. Freshwater sponge, it is Spongilla. And bat sponge, it is Euspongia. Okay, are you able to follow? Please give me a hearts. Please give me hearts on the screen. Change the direction. Direction instead of the speed. Okay then, and this is the all about this porifera at a glance. Grades of organization, it is cellular. Symmetry, the adults are asymmetrical and larvae is radial. No germ layers. Acylomates, aquatic, that is it's mostly marine. Sedentary, solitary, that is they can live alone. And colonial, some are colonial. And no digestive system. Intracellular digestion take place, and this covanocyte is helps in partial digestion. Okay, no respiratory system, no circulatory system, asexual mode of reproduction by fragmentation and gemule formation. Sexual mode of reproduction, hermaphrodite, internal fertilization, and indirect development. Indirect development refers to that there are three stages of larval. There are three larval stages. Okay, and those three larval stages are what we have discussed: Coeloblastula, Amphiblastula, and Parenchyma. All these are the three types of larvae of this choanocyte. Okay, hope it's clear. Then, unique features: water canal system is present, millions of ostia, spongoseals in canals lined by choanocyte, body supported by spicules of spongin fibers, and the examples are Cycon, Spondilla, and Euspongia. Okay, guys, take a screenshot, post it in the group. One more example is there, you can note it. Euplectella, one of the important. Okay, okay. Euplectella, also known as Venus flower basket. Venus flower basket. So that's all for this phylum Porifera. Venus flower basket, Euplectella. And more and more topics are there out of NCRT. I think I hope I can provide you with my handwritten notes. Okay, all those points are included so that you can be familiar with all those things just before out of NCRT too. Okay, and one of the homework I said was two homeworks. I told that I will give two homework. One I have told already about the excretory structure. Excretion is carried out by which cells? That is one of the question. In sponges, excretion is carried out by which cells is one of the question. Okay. And now, the other question, the next question that I'm going to ask you is that the count of species, the approximate count of species, approximate count of species for of poriferans. Very important. So you have to state the number, approximate number. Okay, you can search it. When you search, only your knowledge will be include. What your knowledge will be getting vast. So approximate count of species for reference is the next question. So we are moving on to the Mentiquous. And do not forget to hit the like button if you are not yet liked this video till now. And if you are not a subscriber of this BioPoint, subscribe it right now. Okay. And we are moving on to the Mentiquous. And the Menti quiz on the screen, and you can join right now. Go to www.menti.com and use the code 919573. Okay, Calvin. And very thank you for you all. You are listening patiently till the end of all those explanations, and now we have the most awaited question session of this animal kingdom, Phylum Porifera. Okay, join right now. Go to www.bendy.com and use the code 9195735. Okay, you can visit our Telegram group for the Menti link and for the group and for the code. Okay, if anyone cannot join Menti, you can comment your answers in this Telegram, in this YouTube. Okay, and do not forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and leave the comment in the comment box. Your homework, comment your homework in the comment box itself. Okay. Waiting for the players. Join right now. Six players are there till now. Come on. Seven, eight. Come on. Let's cross 10. We had 14 watching at the beginning. So we should cross at least 10 now. Okay. Without wasting much time, we can start the quiz. Okay. Starting the quiz. or else these 8 students will also leave. Sure, we are starting, but we should wait for someone, no? Yes, the first question: which one of the following is not typical to all poriferans? Perforated body, choanocyte, system of pores in canal, presence of spongy fibers. It is not typical to all poriferans. 3, 2, and 1. The answers on the screen. Let's check the poll rate. Awesome. Unity and diversity. 3 students with perforated body, one with choanocyte, one with system of pores and canals, and 4 with presence of spongin fibers. Okay. The correct answer is presence of spongin fibers. I think there is a leaderboard. Yes. Awesome. Good going. All the 4 others just focus. Ames D, Sudailanti, Kushi, Shivani, Ramya Shri, Calvin, Sujana, Ashwini, Ronald. Good going. Okay. Stay focused and be the topper at the end. Yes, Nila, what you comment is right. Sorry, I just forgot the question. I think what you comment is right. I just forgot the question. The second question: answer fast to get more points. Timing will also be valued. Feeding in sponges takes place through choanocyte, nerve cells, ostia, osculum. Very important. Feeding in sponges take place through choanocyte, nerve cells, ostia, osculum. So your time's up. Yes, choanocyte. I have told you partial digestion is taken place. What partial digestion? Choanocytes do that job. But I think the most of you have not listened that. Have repeated it many times. Got the next question. Sorry, the leaderboard. Second leaderboard. Only 2 have done it correct. Awesome, awesome changes. Yes, Kushi with 1,826 points. Ames D with 925 points. Delanti with 876 points. Ramya Shri with 762 points. Shivani with 710 points. Calvin, Golfmisters, Rujana Ashwini, and Ronald with 0 points. Good going. The third question of the day. I think the network is somewhat slow. Answer fast to get more points. Yes, Dikshit and Nila, it was the correct answer. Okay, I'm seeing the chat a little bit right. The most distinctive character of sponges is presence of choanocyte, unicellular, asexual reproduction, marine. Your time's up, and 6 have awarded presence of choanocyte. Again, change it, but there is no unity, guys. That's what I have to say. Okay, unity should be there in studies too. Let's check the leaderboard. Yes, Nila, Shraddha, and Dikshit, it is correct. Okay. Kushi, good going. Ames D, Sudailandi, Shraddha, Shrujana, Ramya, Sri, Calvin, Jay, Rathor, and Ashwini. Someone new, I think so. Yes, moving on to the next question. I will what appreciate you only at the end. Okay. 5:21 is the time, right? Next question. Come on. Yes. Answer fast to get more points. Freshwater sponges are also grouped in the. Oh, I haven't explained the what classification of sponges. I told that I will explain it out of NCRT. Calcarea, heterozelia, demospongia, Trachinellida. Come on. Okay, the correct answer, demospongia. Only two have voted it, but I will not scold you because it's my mistake. I haven't told you. Very sorry, guys. Kushi and Sudelanki got it right. The names D, Shraddha, Shrujana, Ramya, Sri, Shivani, Calvin, Jay, Rathor, and Ashwini. All these are the students attending this quiz. And the last and final question, the fifth question. Question 5 of 5 on the screen. Answer fast to get more points. Calvin, in a network issue. Venus flower basket is the name of the dried skeleton of. Have said it. I ask you to note it down. Euspongia, Euplectella, Spondilla, Leucosolenia. I need the correct answer from all of you. Commented Euspongia, Euplectella, Spondilla, what? Leucosolenia. Yes, seven have made it, and again there are two persons who made it wrong. Yes, the chance. Good going. Yes, Sudela. It's correct. Yes, Nela. Yes, Dikshit. Awesome. I think this Jay and Ashwini is having some network issue, or else they would not remain in this zero place. Okay. And the winner is Kushi. I don't know who is that. Sudelandi, Ames G, Srujana, Ramya Shri, Calvin, Shraddha, Shivani, Jay, and Ashwini. Good going, guys. Awesome participation. Okay. And I'm remembering you right at 7 p.m. you will be having the quiz on basis of animal kingdom. Okay. And after that, after completing Coelenterata, Nidaria, and Ctenophora, you will be having a combined quiz of all these three. Okay. So just remember this, guys. Right at 7 p.m. the Need Mantra quiz, class with basics of classification. Me itself prepared the quiz. Somewhat, I felt it somewhat easy. Okay. But at the towards the end, 25 questions quiz, 30 seconds per question, and towards the end of this what quiz, you will be having some of the questions based on Annelida Porifera, all those things, on base of all the introductory part, segmentation, not talk, or presence of digestive system, from where all these are first started. So just revise all those things and take part in the quiz. Okay, and that's all for today. If you have not yet liked it, I'm again reminding you, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe. if you have not yet subscribed to our channel. And thank you, Shraddha. Classification for tomorrow. Classification tomorrow. What? I just don't make it clear. Yes, Dikshit. Okay, and thank you for all those who supported me in this session. Okay, in Telegram or Menti group. And guys, do not forget that tomorrow you will be having a mock test on unit and measurement, physics. Okay, we told that we won't be taking physics sessions, but surely we'll be having exams. Okay, because you without getting at least 40, I think you have 45 questions. Yes, you have 45 questions physics in the NEET examination. You should make it out at least 35 or 30. Okay, along with biology, you should make almost 85 above. You should make it right. Okay, and if you make 90, it's absolutely fine. So time will be informed along the schedule, Shraddha. Okay, thank you, sir. Goodbye. Okay, Shivani. Okay, Nila. Yes, Calvin. Porifera classification. Um, will it be tomorrow? I think so. Porifera classification tomorrow. No, the out of NCRT session tomorrow. The next session will be on Coelenterata and Ctenophora. Okay, but surely I will take it. Keep reminding me every day. Okay, and thank you all for the wonderful 14 likes. Yes, technical Tamilian. I just forgot the name of this person. Technical Tamilian. I think it's Ramya Shri. According to my hope, it's Ramya Shri. Okay, anyway, bye. I'm ending this session. Hope you all have a fine day. Take part in the quiz right at 7 p.m. Okay, I will be there to guide you and to scold you too. Okay, bye, guys. Enjoy the day.